Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn poem Animals written by Walt Whitman. See 2.1 Animals written by Walt Whitman. This poem is really a very reflective poem. This poem describes the qualities of animal. Which qualities are better than the which qualities these are the better than human being. Writer purchase this quality of animal. Writer says that the poet says that here the we should possess these qualities in order to improve human relationships. We should possess the quality of animal in order to improve the human relationship and to make this world better place to live. Okay. Now before going to learn poem, we will discuss here warming up. First question, get into pairs and attempt the following. See, first question, here are given the lines of Mark Twain. Okay. The more I learn about people, the more I like my dog, Mark Twain. It is a line of Mark Twain, his book. The more I learn about people, then the more I like my dog. This line, what this line tells us that this lines written by Mark Twain. He says that his dog has certain qualities which he wishes that human being possess. The dog has many qualities. That qualities which Mark Twain his wish is that human being possess this quality of dog, but we do not possess this. Each day as he comes across people and learn more about human nature, that human possess many disagreeable quality that do not help to improve relationships. That disagreeable we are possessing the disagreeable qualities that do not help to improve relationships. As what is the result then? He begins to love his dog more than human being, and that's why Mark Twain he begins to learn to love his dog more than the people. It is the meaning of this line. Okay. Now next question. Put the following attributes, abilities given below in the proper circle. Here is given human, which qualities related to human being, which qualities are related to animals, and which qualities are common, human and animal. First is self-control. It is related to both. Okay, common. Then next is love and care. It is related to both. Okay, animals and human. Next is good manners. It is also related to human good manners. Okay. Then next is show gratitude, both. Okay, human and animal. Then next is swims, both. Animals can also swim. Next is worships God, only human. Okay, we are the human being worships the God. Next is stands up immediately. Stands up human being. Okay. Then next is communicates. Communicates means both. Animals also communicate to each other and we also. And cooks, only human. Has 360-degree vision. 360 both. Okay. Then next, lives for more than 150 years. Animals. Okay, they can live for more than 150 years. Then learns computing. It is only a man can do this computer. Sleeps in standing position. We are not sleeping in standing position. Human being means animals can sleep in a standing position. And then last is brings up children's both. Okay, means animals also or human being also they can give the birth to children. Okay, then next question. At times, especially when you are frustrated, you wished you were an animal, a bird, a fish, a butterfly, and not a human being. Say which of above you would choose to transform to and give 3 or 4 reason for your choice. Means which you can wish to be a animal, means that bird, fish, butterfly, and human being. You have to explain. I wish I could be a okay. Means whatever your wish, you have to write in 5 to 6 line. Then next question, we came across many animals in our vicinity. We also read about different animals in books. Make a list of all animals that fall under various categories. One is for given. See, means here is given frog, which is amphibians, and mammals cow, wild animal lion, aquatic animal octopus, okay, and pet animal cat. Okay, it's like this way you have to write the other. For example, means which is the mammals are, for example bat is a mammal. Okay, then aquatic animal is crocodile, turtle. Pet animals dog, cat, dog is there. Fish also we can keeping in fish tank. Okay, like this way we can write. Means for example squirrel also or mongoose, it is also a mammal. And wild animal, there are many wild animals, tiger, bear, wolf, cheetah, monkey. And then aquatic means octopus, crocodile, turtle, hippopotamus. And then like this way we can fill the chart. Okay, our animal means this poem also, when we are going to means it is this poem also a poet expressed the positivity that we could change his lifestyle and live with the animals. Okay, means poet wished to live with the animal because poet thinks that means animal's life is better than human being, and that's why his wishes to it, means he transform himself into animal. It is his wish. Whatever his wish, tomorrow we will going to learn this poem. Okay, thank you.